Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add or set a reminder for certain tasks in Google Sheets. So here I have this daily schedule uh Google Sheets that I want to add reminders so I don't forget a task that I need to do. First, what you need to make sure that is you already have the extension for adding reminders. So here I'm going to show you how you can get the extension. You can click on the extension in here and go to the add-ons and click on this get add-ons. Okay, after you click on that, you'll go to the Google Workspace Marketplace. Here you can just search the app. So just find add reminders, click on it, and here you can see I've already installed the app. So click on this if you haven't and click on install. So after you click on install, the add reminders app will be installing on your Google Sheets. So when you click on this extension, there will be this add reminders app. And to set up, you can just click on setup or edit reminders in here. So a panel will be opened on the right, add reminders. Now you can just click on add a new reminder option. And here you can select the column the send reminders from, so how many hours before or maybe weeks or days. If you shared this file with others, you can choose to notify them or not, and after that click on done. Then the Google Sheets reminder will be set. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.